By now, we've all heard of Web 3.0, and sadly most of us don't know what it is and why it is important to understand. Well, don't worry. In this video, we will be explaining in detail what it is, why it matters, and how it's going to shape cryptocurrency's future. So just make sure you stay till the end. Hello Cavaliers of Crypto, and welcome to AB Crypto, where we take a simple approach to break down the latest and most educative topics about the cryptocurrency market. If you're new to our channel, just hit that subscribe button below and hit the notification bell to receive any new video updates. You can also follow us on TikTok at _ABCrypto_, and if you want to read some more about today's topic, you can get the links down in the description below. So let's get started. Web 3.0 is the next frontier of internet revolution that promises a decentralized, permissionless, and open source alternative that will transform computing, data storage, and peer-to-peer transactions. So, this third generation of internet services aims to create a future with a collection of underlying technologies like the blockchain, artificial intelligence, and the Internet of Things, where it will help to eliminate freeloading third parties, essentially giving back the ownership of private data and enabling users to monetize it as a product. Secondly, it will also enable fractionalized and mutual digital ownership of property, assets, organizations, and everything in between, essentially leading to a trustful global macroeconomy where participants can collaborate towards common incentives. So, why does Web 3.0 matter? It matters because the idea behind Web 3.0 is that websites will be able to interpret tech like the blockchain, artificial intelligence, and the Internet of Things, thus creating a smarter technological future. Now, how will this third generation of internet services work with blockchain platforms and enhance their capabilities? First off, the blockchain is envisioned as one of the core technological layers of Web 3.0, responsible for facilitating trust in a trustless virtual environment. And so what does this mean? It means that in theory, we will be able to trust online data as it is filtered through the future internet's decentralized blockchain-based ecosystem. Let's use Ethereum as an example. Ethereum is emerging as the bedrock of numerous Web 3.0 applications, also known as dApps, short for decentralized applications. Instead of centralized servers, Ethereum hosts these apps on user-operated nodes on the blockchain, therefore allowing anyone to use them without having their data monetized or sold. Ethereum also offers built-in payments via its native cryptocurrency, ETH. In the theory of the semantic web, payments on Ethereum require no personal data, and there is no central party that can prevent or undo payments. So, crypto payments will likely become the digital payment layer of Web 3.0, as they can offer cheaper and near instant transactions that are available around the clock. Now, the final question is, how will Web 3.0 shape our future? What most of us don't know is that there are already some applications built with characteristics of Web 3.0. For example, Filecoin, a popular crypto project that gets rid of storage in servers, giving computer owners around the world an opportunity to rent out their disk space in exchange for FIL, Filecoin's crypto token. Some other projects already being built for Web 3.0 include Odyssey, Ocean Protocol, and many, many more. So, these early versions for Web 3.0's applications are paving the way towards an open source, privacy-preserving, human-centric future World Wide Web, where users and machines can exchange data and earn the value that they deserve. The platform is going to have four main features. The first one being ubiquity, which means having the capacity to be everywhere. It will be a semantic web. It will have artificial intelligence, and finally, it will have 3D graphics. Web 3.0 will also introduce an array of possibilities like decentralized autonomous organizations, global-scale decentralized autonomous companies, self-sovereign identities, and decentralized marketplaces. It will also redefine the mechanics of human-machine interactions by facilitating trustless data transfers, autonomized cryptocurrency-based payments, ownership transfers, and much more. And if you didn't understand any of those words that I just said, don't worry, we'll be covering them in future videos. Well, this brings us to the end of today's video. We hope you guys found this video resourceful and entertaining. And if you have any more information to add to improve to the content in this video, please do so in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and if you loved watching this video, send us those likes. We thank you guys for watching, and see you in our next video.